All right, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We're going to break this song down into parts. The first is going to be the overarching form of the piece, and we have the first line, which we'll call A, ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum-dum. Then the second line is part B, bum, 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 ba-da-da-da. And then the third line is part A again. So we're going to call this A, B, A form. Okay, we start with the A part, then we go to the B, then we go to the A part. We're also going to break it down into small little pieces because my favorite two practice words are isolation and repetition. So we're going to isolate each one of these tiny little phrases so that you can get good at each finger pattern, and then we're going to plug all those phrases back together again, and you'll be able to do the whole line together. So let's get started. We Wish You a Merry Christmas starts on an open D, but since it's a pickup note, that means there's only one note before the bar line and then the next full measure. We want a down bow on the first beat of the next full measure, so we need to do an up bow on the one note so that we get a down bow on that first beat. So the D is going to be an up bow, and then we're going to go to the G note, first note of the next measure, with your third finger on a down bow. Okay, we wish. Then we're going to go G, A, G, F sharp, E, E. So it's a G with your third finger, open A, third finger G, F sharp second finger, E, E with 1, 1. Okay? So let's do that all together. Okay, practice that, pause the video, and practice it over and over until you can get it very well. All right, welcome back. Now the second part, we just ended on an E-E. The last E in that measure is actually the start of the second phrase. We're going to do an E with an up bow, and then we're going to jump to an A. So your bow drops, and then we're going to do A, B, A, then across to the D string, G note, then F sharp, then D. So put all those together, it's going to be E, A, B, A, G, F sharp, D. So practice those notes over and over and over again. Pause the video. All right, third phrase of that A part is, we're going to start on a D again, but this time we're going to jump all the way up to a B note, first finger on the A string. So open D, first finger B, and then after we do D, B, now you got to pay attention because you're so used to having a C sharp, and in this song it's a C natural. You need to make sure that your second finger is all the way back against your first finger. No space. First finger still on the tape, second finger comes and scrunches right up next to it. So we're going to play B, C, B, A, but when the C comes down with your second finger, it's going to be right next to it, a half step. So here we go. It's going to be B, C, B, A. Here we go. B, C, B, A. Do it again. Good. Now put it all together with the D, B. Good. Now you need to practice that over and over until you can get it good. Stop the video. Okay, now that you're back, we're going to go Christmas and a Happy New Year. So we just did Wish You a Merry Christmas is G-E. Okay, that's easy. And then a finger twister. D, D, E, A, F sharp, G. So the A is the note on the A string. All the rest are on the D string, but it's going to be open, open, 1. Then go across to the A string, A. Then back to the D string, high 2, F sharp, then G. So practice that with me. D, D, E, A, F sharp, G. Okay? Stop the video and practice that. All right, welcome back. Now the B section of the ABA form. B section is a little bit easier, so let's get right to it. You just did "And a Happy New Year." To end the A section, now we're going to do "Good Tidings to You." And that starts out with a D, G, 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 F sharp. Then we're going to do F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D. So practice those individually, and now let's put them back together. Okay, good. Make sure you stop the video and practice that. Okay, now that you've practiced that first part, we're going to go "Good Tidings for Christmas," and that's going to start in an A, and it's going to go A, B, A, and then third finger across to the D string, G. Okay, so practice that. A, B, A, G. Now, after you've done that, you're going to move your third finger across. You're just going to lean it across so that you can hit the A string with your third finger, and you're actually flattening your finger out. Normally a no-no, but this is good technique to do it this way to smoothly go from third finger to third finger without having to hop your fingers. Okay? So we just did A, B, A, G. Now we're going to go to the high G, flattening your finger, and then the high D, excuse me. High D, flattening your finger, then the low D. Okay? So let's go from the G to the high D. And now let's plug that in for the whole thing. Okay? Stop and practice that until you can do it fluidly. Alright, last part of the B part is actually the same thing that we did at the end of the A part. "And a Happy New Year." And it's just going to be the same thing. D, D, E, A, F sharp, G. Okay? So once you can do that whole B line together, or that each individual section of that B line, we're going to do the whole B line together. Let's go back and let's do the whole A line together, then the whole B line together, and once you can do the whole line smoothly, then all you got to do is plug it in, A, B, A, you've got this whole song. Okay? A line first, D, G, G, A, G, F, E, E. Here we go. I'm just going to play through it, then stop and practice, and as soon as you can play it along with me, then go to the B part. Okay, that was the A part. Now, let's go to the B part. Okay, "Good Tidings." It's starting D, G, 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 F sharp on an up bow because it's a pickup note. There you have it. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Now that you got the A part and the B part, you can go A, right into B, right into A, and you've got this whole song. Have fun practicing. Make sure you beat it into submission, and I'll see you next time.